I hope you enjoyed this mini course. I wanted to just put an exclamation point on the fact that SEO is meant to help people accomplish a goal and make sure that your website is doing what you want it to do, which in most cases is give people information, sell them something, or have them book your service. A couple of final notes. One is you'll notice that I'm on this SEO page right now. It is an SEO checker. It is free. It is in your PDF. You want to just do a test. I recommend doing this test both at the beginning of the work that you do as well as at the end so that you can keep an eye on improvements that you may have made. There's also a speed test that you can do, which I have also linked in the PDF. And the final note that I kind of forgot to mention in the previous module, which is user experience, is mobile optimization. So very meta. This is my course, but you will see in Squarespace that we're in the desktop view, but you can click on mobile view and see how your pages show up in mobile. And you can do this for all of your pages. And I recommend doing that. So don't forget about the people on phones. Okay. That is it. That is all I wanted to share with you. I would love to hear your feedback. I would love to know if any of this was helpful, if it was too much information, not enough information, if there's more that you would have liked to know about something. Other than that, thank you so much and happy optimizing.